everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am in our village area because I'm coming here for election like government election, national election. So our national election, Borishal 2 আসন like Ujirpur Banirpara win party BNP and win person is Sharbuddin Ahmed Santu. Uh, he is very popular in this area because he make a mosque like known this Gotia mosque that's very popular in this area. And my request to you that's please solve our any problem like roadside and government project and culvert bridge etc. It's our all villagers hope that you make a good relation with the other person and make a develop in our all society. So thank you all.